On NearEye, we have created NearEye Hub, and we are also creating new projects. And in parallel, we have created an analytics project that I'm going to present myself. Present here. So this is NearEye analytics dashboard to monitor AI agent analytics. It's an open source repo, and the intention here is to have analytics for artificial intelligence agents that is more or less agnostic of the platform. It is, however, integrated with data from NearEye Hub, and it will also be integrated with the new agent cloud that we are building. The flow of analytics is to first collect logs, and there is a script to collect logs from NearEye Hub that any agent developer can run. Then there are some backend jobs to process the metrics, and finally there is a UI dashboard to run on these metrics, which I will present now. So this is a dashboard that can be run on all the metrics that is gathered from agents. It's fully configurable. It can have multiple views, which is given in configuration. In the current configuration, there are 6 views. So the first view is agent invocations, number of invocations. Then we have latency graphs. There are some these are graphs that are shown on the start of the dashboard. If NearEye Hub data is passed to this dashboard, it's quite it has quite clever initialization algorithms. For example, if it detects that agent developer used multiple models, then like several models, then there will be like several lines here, and you can also configure all these graphs to, for example, slice by the model. And similarly, if an agent developer has several agents, there will be several lines here, each for agent. And you can create any graph on any metric. Then there is a table view. The table view is initially one row that you can then slice, for example, by agent name. And here you have metrics for each agent. For example, number of times it was called. So this second column is number of times it was called. All those cells are clickable. You click them and you have more information. You can click columns to get more information. You can click cells to get more information. You can also download this as CSV. Then you can use, for example, filtering like last week. So you can see the requests that are made each week. Another table is to compare models. So this is a comparison of models. Right now it only has a live bench metrics, but we are planning to add, there will be way more data. There will be cost data, there will be latency data, there will be scores from other benchmarks. Again, this is also clickable, and you can see more information with all the descriptions. Then other views are logs, all logs, or error logs. And we can actually scroll down to system log, for example. And here, the most usual error is that model is not present. We have also the privacy notice guidelines here. It depends on where the traffic comes from. For example, if it comes from agent developer themselves, then agent developer has access to all the logs. If it is benchmark or evaluation traffic, then it can be present on graphs or table, but no individual logs. And if it is actually from users, then it is shown if user agreed to that, and we determined that it doesn't have any sensitive API information. And here I'm just an admin, so that's why I have access to all the logs. But for Edge developer, we will use this data privacy guidelines. Yeah, back to this repo. So this is a dashboard UI component, and it is a web component that can be integrated into any website. There is information here on how to integrate this web component, and it can have a lot of different configuration. Do you want one view, or do you want multiple views, etc., etc. Yeah, it's published as npm and can be installed in any website.